There is one curriculum company that I can always count on, and I know that they're going to help me teach my kids language skills and specifically writing efficiently, effectively, and very simply. That company is IEW, or the Institute for Excellence in Writing. Hey there, I'm Katie Hedrick, a homeschool mom of three and host of the Joy at Home podcast. I love helping Christian moms step into homeschool the easy way. I just received this year's box of curriculum from IEW, so today we're going to be unboxing it and taking a peek at the goodies that are inside. We all love a good unboxing, right? There is a lot of goodness in store for the kiddos this year. First up, we have the Structure and Style for Students program. We've got Year 2 Level A. I'll dive into that in just a second. Then we have Fix It Grammar. So this is the grammar book that's going to go hand in hand with the Structure and Style for Students writing program. We love Fix It Grammar over here at our house. It is so handy, so easy for the kids to use. Each week they're going through, they're learning something new, and then they are marking and finding the mistakes in the sentence, and then they are rewriting the sentence. One thing that's super cool about this Fix It Grammar book is, for example, this one is Town Mouse and Country Mouse. So each week, the sentences that the kids are working on, they all go together to form one big story. So by the time they're finished with the book, they will have gone through corrected sentences and read the entire story of Town Mouse and Country Mouse. So that's a fun fact. And then we have University Ready Writing. I am so excited about this one. It is a brand new program. My daughter, who is a sophomore this year and going to be starting college English classes within the following year, is going to be utilizing the University Ready Writing program this year. So we'll dive into that one next. First, let me open up the Structure and Style for Students box and let you take a peek at the inside of that. Let's take a look inside of the box for the Structure and Style for Students curriculum. First thing, you're going to see this handy dandy guide. It talks about everything that's included with the program, and they're going to let you know, hey, this card right here is important. This is your forever streaming activation card. So how we use the program is we do purchase their forever streaming videos, which means that Mr. Andrew Pudawa, the founder of IEW, actually each week is doing a video, a pre-recorded video that the kids are watching and working through the material. And then you, as the mom, are kind of working hand in hand with Mr. Pudawa, so to speak. You and your child are going to use this activation card to get those streaming videos up and going. And then each week, your child will watch a video with Mr. Andrew Pudawa, and then you will go through and check their work. Next up is the student binder. One thing I love about IEW, amidst so many other things, is their simple organization, and I love that. So everything they're going to be needing for their binder is all included here, and it's just such a lovely organized fashion. And then you will have your Structure and Style for Students teacher's manual. So each week, as your kiddo is going through the lessons and completing the writing assignments, everything you need is handy and easy to use right here. Ready for mom to dig in and teach and lovingly correct and help your kiddos become phenomenal, inspired writers. And then again, we do utilize the Fix It Grammar to help the kiddos work on their other language skills outside of just the writing portion. Love these two together. This is a powerhouse combo. And I recommend the Structure and Style for Students along with the Fix It Grammar for middle school up through high school age students. Next up, we've got the University Ready Writing. Let's take a look at this brand new program. You're getting a first look right alongside me, as this is a new program. I'm super excited for my teenage daughter to dig into this University Ready Writing. It looks like the format and setup is very similar to what we're familiar with the Structure and Style for Students. University Ready Writing, you've got your sheet here. It looks like it covers everything that's included. This also utilizes the forever streaming, so that activation card will be in the box as well. So my daughter will be going through weekly videos with Mr. Andrew Pudawa again, and then I will be checking over her work, which I just love that format, makes my life much easier. So the kids inside of this program are going to be really preparing for a college writing class. So this is just kind of prepping them and getting them ready. They're going to be talking about note taking and doing essays and really just equipping and getting the kids ready for college and ready for college writing. So it's got the binder similar to what we are used to, all of those goodies inside that will be organized in the binder, and then again, the teacher's manual. So this one is going to be exciting to dig into. I am looking forward to learning some of these wonderful things right alongside my daughter this year. So there you have it. That is a look at this brand new program, University Ready Writing. From one homeschool mom to another, I can't say enough good things about IEW. So be sure to check them out at katiehedrick.com/IEW. Also, if you're interested in more of my curriculum recommendations, you can download my free homeschool curriculum guide over at teachme2homeschool.com. You can bet that IEW tops the list inside of that guide. But be sure and head over there today, teachme2homeschool.com, and download your free copy.